Students, in your last class you learned the vertical line test. So today we are going to learn that representation of function. You know what is function? So now we can learn how to represent a function. Okay. So you know anyway the function will be a set to another set. They given that f from x to b, we can represent a to b, we can represent the function using various form. We can represent using ordered pair form, table form, arrow diagram form, then graphical form. Okay, look at first set of ordered pairs. How can you write a set of ordered pairs? F equal to set of all x comma y form. That is known as ordered pair. Okay, so that is one method, ordered pair form. Ordered pair means 2. Pair means 2. This method, that is known as ordered pair. Then table form. Table, you know that when you draw the graph, you will make a table. So same thing here we are going to do now. So table form means in x-axis x value, by y-axis f of x value. So when you do the problem, you will be clear. Just I will introduce that methods. Next one is arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is known thing. So first domain, codomain, just you can connect the function f. That is known as arrow diagram. Then graphical method means, so using this x and y values, just you can draw the graph. Okay. So already we drawn that. I hope you learned that. If you learned that, definitely you can remember what is said now. So just we can go through the problems. You will understand the methods now. It is very, very important question. So listen students carefully. Example 1.11. Listen. Let A equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set of all 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be two sets. Let f from A to B be a function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function, arrow diagram, in a table form as a set of ordered pair in a graphical form. So two sets are given. A function goes A to B. Also this function is defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. So we have to find out the functions. So for all x value domain, we have to find out the unique image using this function. So let us find out the function for all x values. Okay. First of all, we can write given f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Okay. Then we can apply the x value one by one. Then we can find out the corresponding y value. Okay. So first if x equal to 1, this value, so f of x equal to 3x minus 1 implies you have to find out f of 1 value. So f of 1 equal to 3 into x value 1 minus 1. Do it. 3 into 1, 3. Then minus 1, that is equal to 2. So if x equal to 1, the corresponding value is 2. Next we can find out x value is 2. If x equal to 2, so f of 2, that is f of 2 equal to 3. In this place of x, you can apply 2 minus 1. So 3 into 2, 6. Then minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 1, 5. So if x is 2, your f of x value is 5. Then we can apply 3 and 4. So if x equal to 3, so f of 3 equal to, apply here, f of 3 equal to 3 into 3 minus 1. In the space of x, just you apply 3. So 3 3s are 9, then minus 1. So 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Okay, so x equal to 3 value we found. Now, if x equal to 4, so f of 4 value is 3 into place of x you can apply 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3 4s are 12 minus 1. That is equal to 11. So if x value 4 means f of x value is 11. So we found all the images for all x value. For all x value we found out the images. Okay. Then we can do one by one. First we can draw the arrow diagram. Okay. Using this we can draw the arrow diagram. So for drawing the arrow diagram, you know that arrow diagram. Write all the x values. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I mean the set A. Next you can draw the set B. So B contains the values 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. So now we are going to map. So 1 goes to, look at, if x equal to 1, the corresponding value goes to 2. So if you have any doubt, just decide, you can write like that, 1 comma 2. Next, if you apply 2, what do you get? 1 comma 5. Sorry, 2 comma 5. If you apply 3, you will get 8. Then 4 means 11. Okay, 1 goes to 2. It is our function f. Then 2 goes to 5. 3 goes to 8. 4 goes to 11. So arrow diagram we did now. Next we can write the table form. Okay, very simple table form. Second one is table form. To draw the table form, first you can draw a table for x and f of x. Okay, for x and f of x. This is x, this is f of x. So how many x value we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 x values corresponding f of x value. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just you can put it. A x value is 1, then 2, 3, 4. And y value, corresponding y value is 3, 5, 8, 11. That's all. This is the table form. Third one is ordered pair. Ordered pair, very simple. Just we can write what we found. So f equal to set of all. The function will be, we are going to write as pair. 1 means 4. Then 2 value is 5. 3 value is 8. 4 value is 11. This is the ordered pair. Okay. Last one is graph. As like x-axis, y-axis. Here x value is as usual x. y value is f of x. So x value I can mention as 1, 2, 3, 4 because we have only 4 values. Next, f of x value, look at, we have up to 11. So I can take two values. As you wish you can do. You can take one values. Here I take two values. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. X-axis and y-axis. It is 0. Okay. We can plot the points now. So 1, 4. So where is 1, 4? In x-axis 1, y-axis 4. So it is 1, 4. Next one is 2, 5. So 2. Then 5 value is in between 4 and 6. So here in that middle I returned 2, 5. Next one is 3 value. 3 and 8. So 3 is here, 8 value is here. So 3, 8. Next one is 4, 4, 11. So 11 value is in between 10 and 12. So it is 4, 11. Okay. This is our values. Just join it. So in this important problem, 5 mark question, just we found out this arrow diagram, table form, also ordered pair and graphical form. Okay. Students, let's see exercise 1.4 second problem. Already first problem is your homework questions. I hope you completed that. Just you can follow this second problem. Third problem is your homework question. So listen it carefully. Then only you can do that clearly without any mistakes. Second problem, let f from a to b be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1, where a equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and b equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 9. Represent f by usual ordered pair, then table, arrow diagram and graph. We can do one by one. Before that, we have to find out the function. For all x value, we have to find out the corresponding y value, unique y value image for this, using this. So first we can write that given f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1. So using this form we can find out the f of x value. First we can apply the domain values. So if x equal to 2, then f of 2 equal to, apply the 2 value here. So 2 by 2 minus 1. What is 2 by 2? Just cancel it. You will get 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Am I right? Because when you cancel it, 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2. Anyway, 1 you will get. Next, you can apply the value 4. If x equal to 4, then f of 4 equal to, in this place of x, you can apply 4. 4 by 2 minus 1. Cancel using 2 table. 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. That is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 value is 1. Clear? Then we can apply 6 value. If x equal to 6, f of 6 equal to 6 by 2 minus 1. 6 by 2 minus 1. Using 2 table we can cancel. 1, 2 is 2. 3 times 6. So that is equal to 3. This minus and 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Next we can apply the value 10, then 12. If x equal to 10, So f of 10 equal to, apply 10 here, 10 by 2 minus 1, cancel by 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 5 times 10, that is equal to 5 minus 1. Subtracted 5 minus 1 is 4. Finally we can apply x equal to 12. So if x equal to 12, f of 12 equal to 12 by 2 minus 1. Cancel by 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 6 times 12. That is equal to 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 value is 5. Okay, we found all the images for the given domain value. That is your function. F of x is okay. Next we can find out first one, ordered pair. How can you write the ordered pair? Ordered pair. F equal to set of all two and 0. So 2 comma 0. So 4 comma 1. Then 6 and 2. 6 comma 2. 10 comma 4. Then 12 comma 5. This is the ordered pair. I return the x value, the corresponding f of x value. Okay. This is ordered pair. Next one is table. So second part we can write table. Table we can draw like this. Take your pencil and scale. Then draw the table. First one is x value, next one is f of x value. It is f of x value. Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So if x value is 2, f of x value is 0. X value is 4, f of x value is 1. Then 6, 2, 10, 4, then 12, 5. That's all. Simple. Next one is arrow diagram and graph. For drawing the arrow diagram, first you have to draw A set. Next you can draw B set. Then you can map using F. Third one, arrow diagram. This is for domain A. Next one for codomain B. Write the values. Look at the question. A set is given as 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. B set is given as 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 9. Now we can map using the ordered pair. Using this we can map now. 2 and 0, 4 and 1, 6 and 2, then 10 and 4, 12 and 5. Just we can map. So 2 comma 0, 4 and 1, then 6 comma 2, 10 comma 4, 12 comma 5. So this is our given F. Okay, we found the arrow diagram. Next we can draw the graph. Next one is graph. To draw the graph, you can draw the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis value is 2, 4, 10, 12 we have, so I can take two values. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. In y-axis, the value is up to 9. So here also I can take two values. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then we can plot the points. 2, 0. Where is 2, 0? 2 in x-axis. So 2, 0 will be here. This is 2, 0. Next one is 4, 1. So 4, 1 means 4 is here. One value will be in between 0 and 2. So it is 1, 4. Next one is 6, 2. So 6 is here, then 2 is here. So 6, 2. Next one is 10, 4. So 10 is here, 4 is here. So 10, 4. Then 12, 5. So 12, 5. 5 is in between 4 and 6. So 12, 5. Next you can join. So this is our question. This is one of the important 5-mark question. So you have to learn it. So it's your third question. It's a homework question. Listen, represent the function f equal to the ordered pair. So it's nothing to find out f value because everything is given. F value is given. Just you can draw the arrow diagram using this f value function. Then using this you can make the table. Using this you can draw the graph. That's all. Okay. So previous questions look at, there will be a function form. Using this form you have to find out the f of x value. But in this problem nothing to worry. Already there is given f of x value. So using this just you find out the arrow diagram, then table value, then graph. Okay. Do it. Thank you.